नमस्ते दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप वेल एंड गुड। यू नो व्हाट, दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट मैटर्स. आई एम गोइंग टू ऑफिस with him, who is very camera shy right now and is feeling the pressure of actually talking in front of the camera here in the cab. But I'm gonna do it. I can't help it because I did not get time to record the video, so I thought why not do it here. So Liverpool has won the title. We have got the trophy. We have celebrated in front of the fans, and कल पूरा परेड हुआ एंड हम लोग सब बैठे हुए थे टीवी पे देखने के लिए कि व्हाट इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन एंड ऑल, यू नो, ऑल द मोमेंट्स वर सो गुड. लिवरपूल वाज सो वेल डेकोरेटेड एंड हम लोग अपने घर में बैठ के इंजॉय कर रहे थे. बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा था. बट एक बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट हुआ लिवरपूल में. सो यू वुड हैव हर्ड अबाउट दिस. अ 53-year-old मैन वाज driving, or I don't know what he was doing, but he ran into the fans, and I think almost how many people are injured? 27 are injured, and 2-3 people are serious also. So this is what has happened. तो लोग सोच रहे थे it's an act of terrorism or what, maybe कोई और किया है, नहीं किया, मतलब jokes. It's not that exactly. The guy is from Liverpool. This 53-year-old white male is from Liverpool, and I do not know the exact reasons why it has happened, and he is in custody. But seriously, this is so disheartening what has happened, and I'm hoping that they have a speedy recovery, because इतना अच्छा स्पेशल मोमेंट जब कोई इन्जॉय करने जाता है ना, ऐसे हो जाए तो वो फुल लाइफ टाइम में यही चीज़ याद आने लग जाती है कि दिस इज़ व्हाट हैपेंड. दे वर देयर टू सेलिब्रेट देयर क्लब विनिंग द लीग. इट्स सच अ बिग थिंग, यू नो. एंड आई जस्ट होप दैट भगवान इतना रखे, सर पे हाथ रखे उन लोगों पे, एंड दे जस्ट गेट बेटर as early as possible, as soon as possible. I hope that happens. But other than that, I think the parade went very well. I think over 5 to 6 hours वो parade हुआ है, and जिस तरीके से पूरा लिवरपूल उठ के आया है, it's a proper festival that everyone celebrated, and I'm so happy to see that happening in front of the fans. Everybody has waited a long time for that to happen. Now the thing is, we are very ambitious going into the summer transfer window, and I'm very happy about it. It's like, अगर मान लो सोचते करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, बिकॉज यू नो जब हम चैम्पियंस लीग जीते थे, हम प्रीमियर लीग जीते थे, उस टाइम पे क्लब के अंडर हमको सही में रीबिल्ड करना चाहिए था. बट वी लॉस्ट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. वी डिड नॉट डू दैट. वी वांट दैट एम्बिशियस. वी थॉट शायद वही जो अपना प्लेइंग 11 है वो अपने को आगे तक लेके जाएगा. बट यू नो, हमेशा एक डाउनफॉल आता ही आता है, एंड वो अपने साथ भी हुआ. बट नाउ स्लॉट को अपने टाइप का टीम एक मिलने वाला है, एंड अभी उस पर भी बहुत प्रेशर आएगा. आई थिंक स्लॉट पे बहुत प्रेशर आने वाला है going forward, because now he will get his own team. He will get to decide who is going to be his strongest 11, and he'll not have to cherry pick from Klopp's team. So the pressure will be on, because he'll have to obviously prove that. And we are being so ambitious, bhai. Like, don't you think the like Florian Wirtz 100 million plus bonus plus add-ons, whatever we are going to give to him, is something we do not expect from our club. It is something that we have not seen Liverpool do, and दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट इज़ सो सरप्राइजिंग टू मी कि ऐसा खुले में पैसा कैसे लगा रहे हैं यार. मतलब इतना एम्बिशियस देख के आई एम क्वाइट एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट, एंड आई एम सीरियसली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट सीजन, व्हाट इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन. बट अभी तक तो क्या मज़ा आ गया है पूरा सीज़न देख के. एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था ऐसा होगा. देन फ्रिम्पोंग तो ऑलमोस्ट डन है, एंड वर्ड्स का भी पहला ऑफर लिवरपूल ने डाल दिया है. होगा नहीं होगा, मतलब होगा ही मोस्टली जितना लग रहा है. बट इट वाज सच अ थिंग जब फ्लोरिन वर्ड्स के बारे में र्यूमर आया था. यू रिमेंबर वी रिकॉर्डेड अ वीडियो, अ फन वीडियो, अ मीम वीडियो, दैट इट इज़ नॉट हैपनिंग. वी लिटरली डिड दैट ऑन द फर्स्ट डे दैट द न्यूज़ केम आउट दैट लिवरपूल इज इंटरेस्टेड. आई एम लाइक बाप रे, व्हाई आर दे लाइक स्प्रेडिंग र्यूमर्स लाइक दे यूज्ड टू इवन बिफोर. रिमेंबर, हर कोई प्लेयर लिवरपूल के साथ लिंक्ड हो जाता था. बट ये सच है. कैसे सच हो गया भाई? ऐसी न्यूज़ लिवरपूल के बारे में कैसे सच हो गया? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. सो या, फ्लोरिन वर्ड्स might happen, might just happen. We might get to see a world-class player playing in our attacking mid. Let's see if that happens or not. But again, Frimpong is done. Kerkez होगा नहीं होगा, but चलो, मतलब इस वीक तक आई थिंक काफ़ी कुछ अपडेट्स आने वाले हैं केरकेस के बारे में भी. एंड स्ट्राइकर इज़ लेफ्ट, एंड अभी भी आवर कैप्टन VVD इज सेइंग that we are going to be very, very ambitious, like more than what we are seeing in the summer transfer window. I think this is what is necessary, because a big club like ours, we have to take and start taking things seriously, and this is what we are doing now. I'm seriously over the moon thinking about what is going to happen in next season. But there will be a lot of pressure, because see, it's not like Man City is not going to come back up. They definitely will. It's Pep Guardiola. If there is one manager who can get this team back up and running, it is him. And it's one of their worst seasons. Still, they managed to get the Champions League qualification. They finished third on the table. It's very good. It is very, very good. Arteta is going to have a better season. This was also a good season for them, but did not win anything. But I'm sure going forward, they are also going to be very ambitious and might just get something, because there is a lot of improvement in Arsenal. Then Chelsea has gotten qualification for Champions League as well, and they are going to do well too. And this is what is like worrying me, that going into the season, can we defend this Premier League title? I want to do that once. Like, I really want to do that. Now that's asking for too much, but no, why not? Like I told you, this season I'm going to be very ambitious and I'll manifest a lot for Liverpool. देखते हैं होगा कि नहीं, but I'm going to do that. I'm going to manifest. बाप रे. Anyhow, so this was a little bit of थोड़ा social anxiety sort of a video here. मतलब I'm in the cab. It's not easy to talk यार. तो आज थोड़ा लगा कि चलो शुरू करके देखते हैं. I will try and get him also. You also have to come. The problem with him is that whenever he sits in the car, he gets lazy and he sleeps. Like, exactly. We will sit for like 1 minute in the car and he'll sleep. I don't know how does he manage to do that. He can sleep standing. Like, this is his quality. Oh, we used to be in the class, prepare, like classes चल रहा होता था, and this guy used to like sleep, take a nap and then get up. I can never do that. I can't do that. So usually when we are going to office, this one will sleep and I'm always like on my phone or something. So why not make this time also better? Why not use this time in a better way? And we have reached 26,000 subscribers, guys. That's too much. That's huge. So good. So happy. And thank you so much for all the support, all the love that you guys have shown to the channel. Even if I was there, I was not there, I was on a break, like Ross yaad aa jata. Anyhow, but you guys were still there. You guys really motivated me to make a comeback. Itne sare messages aate the, why are you not making videos, like please come back, like start recording again. All of that really motivated me, and I'm so happy that I have such good audience who watches my videos. Yeah, anyhow, that is the update. This is what is going on right now. Up the Reds. What a season we have had. Let's go to the next season with that high. Let's see अभी ट्रेनिंग में क्या होगा. अभी country matches शुरू होंगे. A lot to look forward to again. That is the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon. Have to get to that 30,000 as soon as possible, because the channel deserves it. The channel deserves it, definitely. So that's the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.